Hi everyone, it's Friday. I've had a bit of a funny virusy bug thing over the week, so I've not actually been working this week. So I missed out on some lovely weather and some pants weather as well. So, but I thought I might do an unboxing video, change all the things that I usually do. So with the new change of direction for the business, moving away from maintenance and moving towards doing bigger one-off jobs, less regularity. Still doing everything always did, but just not for regular calendar work, as it were. Needed some more promotional materials. So I thought I'd order some flyers to be made. So after a bit of back and forth and some help from some different people, which is always handy, thank you very much those who've helped, came up with a design. So I thought I would unbox the videos. No. Unbox the flyers, do a video unboxing. But anyway, so let me just, so it's the first time I'm seeing these, so it's exciting. So now I shall just try and get myself in, making it much harder work than it needs to be. So we've done two designs of crunchy paper ASMR or whatever it is. Ooh. So let me just, I'm assuming that's coming around the right way. Looks reverse for me. Oh, yes. That looks okay, I think. That's printed up nicely. So obviously that's a picture of the flower show garden that we did 2024. We just thought it was a nice kind of bright image and everything. Sort of tried to keep, I tend to ramble on, as you probably realise from my videos, tend to ramble on, so try to keep it short and sweet. So that's for general public, so I shall be putting those up in the local area over the next coming week or so. So they come out well. I don't know if I've ordered 1,000. Seemed a good idea at the time, so pleased with those. So, and then we've also done, it's a different box this one. These are all wrapped up. So what we thought we'd do is, for some of the local businesses like Wickstead that we've been working with recently, sorry, just kick the phone, a bit wibbly wobbly, they've been doing the sort of building work or the hard landscaping or whatever it is, and then we've been coming in and advising them on plant choices along with what the client wants, and then doing the planting up, and that's worked quite well. So we wanted a flyer that reflected that sort of idea, that somebody that maybe is more of an expert in the hard landscaping. That looks okay too. Pleased with that too. So I went for a similar style. So these are some different images. Flower show on the top. That was a garden we did in Crosby, a pond, and this was some planting that we did for a client in autumn. So just a bit of a range of showing what different things we do. So again, I think they've come out quite nicely. Yeah, pleased with those. Yeah, so that's more aimed at people that are already doing good work, you know, that we wouldn't be trying to get in on the work. It's just that sort of our expertise is maybe in the planting and the plant choices and sort of sourcing those. So we wanted just two different flyers that reflected that, so we've got less of those printed out. So, but hopefully there's a sort of stylistic choice between the two. Sort of a pattern that goes between the two. I'm pleased with those. They look all right. So yeah, so again, thanks for anybody that's helped with those. So as I said, hopefully in the next few days, weeks, months, you might spot some of those dotted around and about. If anybody would like some to put up at their work or somewhere like that, or if they have anybody that you know would be interested, always pass on our details to them, or if you want some flyers, you're welcome to get in touch. All right, so I hope you enjoyed that. I think they look okay, quite pleased with those. Yes, just need some blue tack and a can-do attitude and get those out and about. So, all right, hope everybody's well. Speak soon. Bye.